Welcome to Bambridge Medical Art. Today I will teach you how to use Moxa and heat therapy to treat for warts. Warts is skin disorder that is caused by HPV virus infection. There are 100 different kinds of HPV virus. Well, the HPV virus are very sensitive to the heat. You can use the heat to kill the virus. Once you kill the virus, the warts will heal. The tool you can use to treat for warts is incense stick, cigar, Moxa stick, or heat lamp. Incense stick like this big. Usually the wart around the eyes or the eyelid, they're very small. Maybe 1 millimeter diameter big, could even smaller than that. So you can use, you light up this incense stick, you heat up the area. You can use it. Well, for a larger one, than 1 millimeter, you can use a cigarette. Yeah. Such as, if the wart is so big, like this big, like a cigarette, you can use a cigarette heated. If it's larger than that, you can use a Moxa stick. Is the best. Actually, if you don't have a Moxa stick, you can always use cigarette. But if you do have a Moxa stick, it works the best. If they're bigger than 1 millimeter diameter, you can use Moxa stick. The Moxa stick like this, Chinese been using for 1,000 years. So all you need to light it up. It produces very strong and steady heat. You can use, like for example, you have wart, you can just, on top of the wart, you can use heat up the area. You can treat for even for 2 centimeter size or diameter size of the wart. You can use Moxa stick. But if you have flat wart, like for example, some people have it over their face, full size face, or someone have a plantar wart over bottom of the foot, they're covered with it. So Moxa stick may not be covered at a large area. You can use a heat lamp like this. You can see the heat lamp like this. Burning Moxa stick. All you need to do, heat up the area. You can see, not too close. You can burn skin, but it's just hot. You got to feel the heat. The hotter the better, but without burning the skin. Way to do it. You can go a circle, or you can go like close away and close away. You can use all kind of method. All you need to do, heat up the wart as hot you can for 15 to 30 minutes. This wart is big, so we need to heat up at least 20 minutes because this one big and deep. Now we're going to use the Moxa stick to treat for the small wart. Like this one is a large, like 2 centimeter diameter large. This one just a little dot. So the material will be different. And like this one, you have to use a circular material. This one you can use like this is a woodpecker material. You can see like a woodpecker. Closer, then get too hot, get away. Too hot, then get away, like that. You don't need to do a circular part, and don't need to be circular. You can this one just use the woodpecker material of the Moxa therapy. Now I'm going to show you how to use a heat lamp to heat the area, because the heat lamp is very large. It can heat the whole area. That will be too painful to burn the whole area. Okay, to heat up the whole area. Okay, too sensitive to the skin. So what you can do is you can just cut a hole in napkin. You cover up the rest of the foot, you can just show the wart here. You can heat up either heat lamp, or you can either use a red lamp. As soon as it can create a lot of heat for the area, be good enough. See, now I can use another one on top, cover up, like now I'll be ready to heat the area. I use a heat lamp, the large heat lamp on this spot. So you can heat as hot as you can handle for about 20 minutes without burn skin. Yeah, you do it once a day, then you wait for at least 3 days to do another time, and then wait another 3 days for another time, for 3 times in a row. Then wait for like 1.5 months to see if the wart fell off. If it fell off, that means you kill all the virus, and then it healed. After 4 weeks, most the wart it fell off. You can see all the dot, that's the old wart fell off, including this one. See, it all fell off. But potentially have one missing right in this spot. See, a little bit hard, and most likely is this one still alive, just one. But most others all they fell off, it healed, have one left. So this one need to be treated 3 times, start over again, and heat it like 15 to 20 minutes. We do have blisters. Sometimes they're too hot, they cause blister on the skin. So when you have blister on the wart by the area, that means the heat is too extreme. But one good thing is you made just one time to heal the warts already. But when you do have a blister, you should leave it alone. Don't pop it. You just put some oil on it, then you bend it over. Try not to irritate or pop it. Let skin heal itself. Another thing about warts is, but don't try to cut it or pick on it. If you cut or pick on the wart, it can potentially spread out to other part of your body. Hopefully, they will benefit you and your family. Well, if you have more questions, you can go on BambridgeMedicalArt.com.